This video is going to be a little bit of a funny one because we're going to talk about whose marketing advice to take. There are a lot of pretend experts out there, but not everyone's an expert. This industry is full of people who they wake up one day and they're like, I am an expert. And then they give advice as though they're an expert. And if you are just starting out, you might feel compelled to listen to it. So there's a little bit of a catch-22 of how to listen to. So let's go over some yellow flags that will give you hints that, like, hey, maybe this is not a good person to listen to or take advice from. First of all, if everything they encounter, they want to promote on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and get likes and all that stuff and social media, that is a beginner. Because as you already are getting a sense, you need a specific marketing strategy to the specifics of what you are doing. Number one sign of a beginner is that they don't know beyond Facebook and Instagram. Another thing is, do their ideas pass the common sense test? And the common sense test is get into your customer's head, think about them. How do they discover a similar type of product or business that you have? Do they search for it? Do they get it recommended from another professional? Is it a direct sales thing? Where in their day do you need to inject your marketing material so they can discover you? And does that actually match what the supposed marketing advisor is telling you? Does it pass this essential common sense test? Also, when somebody's advising you, you always need to ask them what they have accomplished before. And it should be verifiable. It's not, they can't just say, oh yeah, I did it. Because everybody can lie. Most businesses are private businesses. And that means that you don't have access to their information. They can be making $1 a year, but they can tell you I'm a millionaire. You cannot verify their personal finance, so you should look for evidence of their success online. What's their website like? Can they show that somewhere they succeeded where they're advising you in an area where they've been successful before? If they haven't succeeded, it's just theoretical, and there's too many people teaching things they haven't really done, but they've also only learned or heard of, and so they're beginners. Okay, that's the definition of a beginner. They just learned it. They haven't had a chance to apply it. Don't take their advice to heart. As with everyone's advice, take it, process it, think about it. Don't act on it just yet. Wait and really, get a lot of expert advice, real expert. And in this video, at least you know how to tell a non-expert